What is the lead story in your marriage? What do you talk about the most, focus on the most, complain about the most? Highlight the most in your marriage. The thing is, we control the lead story in our marriage. It's not just what happens to us that controls the story. It's how we respond to it, how we talk about it, and how much attention we give to it. I was talking to a couple in counseling recently that was focusing so much on their fighting. They felt like they were always arguing, always tearing each other down, always disagreeing, always not supporting each other. And although we do have to work on those things and find real solutions, I noticed they were giving the fighting all the attention. And the good moments in their marriage, none of the focus. They were making their issues the lead story in their marriage, when in fact, they had a lot of great things going for them in this marriage. So I encourage them to start talking about the good things, pointing them out on a daily basis, giving them thought and focus. Not that they needed to ignore their issues, just that they needed to make room for the good in their marriage, in their story. After a few weeks of doing this, the couple saw a huge difference. They made the good things God was doing in and through them the lead story, and they gave their issues just a small piece of the story. It changed the focus and the drive behind their issues too, because now they looked at their issues as something they could face together with God helping them to reconcile and love and serve better. Restoration, growth, transformation, grace, building up, and reconciliation became lead verbs in their story instead of arguing, tearing down, and disagreeing. So what about you? What's the lead story in your marriage today? What do you want it to be? And what needs to happen to get your story to where you want it to be?